High level up community. I'm sharing this video about my key takeaways from the incentive stock option, alternative minimum tax, and AMT credit. Incentive stock options or ISOs are special type of stock option given to employees, allowing them to buy company stock at fixed price, which could be higher or lower than the market price when exercised. This potential gain or loss raises the question, how are ISOs normally taxed? Before diving into this, let us discuss the regular tax form we're familiar with. This is calculated by subtracting deductions and credits from the taxable income and then multiplying the result by the progressive tax rate, depending on the client's tax bracket. The second tax to compute is the AMT, or Alternative Minimum Tax, which is typically calculated separately and alongside the regular tax return. The AMT is determined as follows: AMT taxable income plus ISO income when exercised, plus limited tax deductions and credits, multiplied by a flat rate. The higher of the two, AMT or regular tax, will be the one that's paid. Now, if our calculations result in the higher tax liability under the AMT than under the regular tax, this can lead to an AMT credit. However, it's important to note that not every situation where the AMT is higher than the regular tax will result in an AMT credit. This is because not all AMT taxes qualifies for AMT credit. The AMT credit specifically arises from the AMT tax incurred due to exercising ISOs. But there's no need to worry about paying the AMT because it can be recouped if in the following year regular tax exceed the AMT. The difference can be claimed as an AMT credit. For example, if a taxpayer's prior year AMT exceed the regular tax by 20,000 US dollar due to exercising ISOs, this 20,000 US dollar would be carried forward to the next taxable year as an AMT credit. If in the following year the regular tax exceed the AMT by $3,000, the taxpayer can claim a 3,000 AMT credit, with the remaining 17,000 carried forward indefinitely. While it may take several years to fully recoup the credit depending on the taxpayer's tax position, the AMT credit will eventually be claimed.